Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on the Paxful application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your email address and your password or your biometrics. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to enable dark mode, then tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, you will see the dark mode option right away. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will see three options. If you choose system, this will detect whether your system is using dark or light mode and change the application interface to this setting as well. Otherwise, you can simply use the on or off button to turn on or turn off the dark mode. In order to turn it on, simply choose the on option, and now the application interface will be changed into dark mode right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the Paxful application into dark mode. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.